What's up, everybody? Today is going to be a battle between dollar store and Amazon. Which one is better for the price you're paying? Let's go. Hi, my name is Steph, and today we're going to do an open box and review on those both items. So let's open it. The cell, the holder cell, the clip, put this guy here, the one from Amazon, and put it side by side. Put it there. Open this guy. This is from Amazon. Clip, plastic, some rubber to hold cell phone. Let's open the dollar store to hold the cell phone over them. Put it side by side to see. Between the dollar store, only this is 2" and 3/8 large, and Amazon it's almost 3". It's 2" and 7/8. So Amazon is bigger. Okay, now we're going to do the mount. Amazon is wait, you're going to see it. It's metal. It's metal. Oh yeah. And dollar store, plastic. Okay, so now we're going to look at the difference between those two here. You can see this guy here is plastic, that one here from Amazon is metal. So it's a 1/2" size, and this guy here, right, almost the same thing, but this is only plastic. So the only metal we have is here. It's wait, let me put it like that. It's 1/16 of size, and this guy here, it's from dollar store. Okay, so now we're going to see the link. What I did, I put the best, both of them almost straight. So Amazon is 21" long. Dollar store is 26. Dollar store, and this one here, it's Amazon. When it's time to tighten the nut here, it's plastic, but the ball is metal. So you can tighten it, and that's going to be perfect. The rod, it's strong. When it's time to move, it's not wiggling. That is really good. Dollar store, the nut here, it's plastic, and the ball too is plastic. So after a while, this guy forget it. It's always going to be loose. The rod, the way you can see it, is always wiggling. I'm going to stop it. The rod of this guy here is really big. The one here is 1/16, so its that is always wiggling, and 2 feet long too. If you ask me which one I prefer, to start you can always go with dollar store, and after a while, if you like it, go to Amazon. Or if you don't want to waste your money, forget it, the dollar store, and go directly to Amazon. I hope you like this video. Between those two, the dollar store and Amazon, if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and see you in the next one.